man. So I just want to let y'all know, man, I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this, man, rocking along my move as I do these things with these cars and, you know, just trying to, you know, put some other things out here, good fun, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because, hey, man, it's just one of the things that I love to do along with the music. For y'all don't know, I do music, you know what I'm saying? I'm a producer, a rapper, all of that, you feel me? You can go check me out, Lorenzo Chatmon on everything, you know what I'm saying? All of the music you hear on here, you know what I'm saying? I produced it, you know what I mean? Like, we just going in. We just going in. We're going to use all our God-given talents, you know what I'm saying, to be great. And that's all I want everybody that is involved with my situation is just to be great. Be the best you. Take the time and the effort and put into yourself, you know what I'm saying, because you deserve it. You heard me? You deserve it. Find something you're great at, you're good at, you're alright at, become better, the best. You feel me? Yeah, so, you know, it's just motivation. I don't be doing none of this shit just to make y'all feel as if you any less or any of that type of shit, man. I do this shit to let y'all know that we could do this shit. Cause, man, you know what I'm saying? I ain't one day always able to do this type of shit. You feel me? So, you know, it's just motivation to let you know if you make the right plays and get out here and go get something that you want, you can have it, man. Who the fuck can take it from you? Can't nobody take it from you. You feel me? Only person could take something from you is you. Didn't me? So yeah, man. Bless up, man. I appreciate y'all. Straight up. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. Yeah, so your boy finna get out and about today, man. Gotta go to KMS, slide by there, gonna get them to do an oil change and spark plugs. I was gonna do it myself, but I'm being lazy, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna stop by Dreams today. They should be done with the front and back bumpers. Yeah, got the M3 joints. Finna switch that out on them, you know what I'm saying? Keep it real busy on them, you know what I'm saying? And yesterday I ordered my coilovers. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop this thing down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Make it real beautiful, just that right height. You know what I'm saying? It's a little too much for me right now, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring it down. I need to bring it down just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know. Bring it down just a little. It's just too much gap right here. You feel me? I need to bring that thing down to where it just sit right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, you know, that's the play for the day. Yeah, let's go, man. ready for the springtime, you know what I'm saying? Start pulling up on some of these car shows, running down some of these Hellcats, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. KMS, yeah. I told y'all I wasn't no mechanic, bro. Certain things gotta get done right, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I around my folk, KMS, you know what I'm saying? Got the oil change done, you know, spark plugs, you know, a little busy, you know what I'm saying? Hey, they the best in the city, man. With them, you know what I'm saying? Straight like that.